be showing you how you can do your own armpit detox. It's very important for you to do this even when you use a deodorant. This is just like a detox, like you can do it like once a week or once in 2 weeks. It's very good because it's going to help you to clear ingrown hairs, help to remove bad smells. It will also help you to like leave the place tidy and clean. So we're going to be using 3 major ingredients, and this is rose water. I have tea tree essential oil here as well. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I have peppermint tea as well, but I'm going to be using my peppermint essential oils. And I have apple cider vinegar as well. These 3 ingredients are very good to like detox your underarm, because apple cider vinegar helps to cleanse and tighten the skin. It helps to protect it from bacteria and other impurities. Apple cider vinegar is an astringent which can function as a toner when it is applied to the skin. Apple cider vinegar is also a very potent antibacterial. It helps you to prevent skincare issues, like even if you have acne, pimples anywhere, and you apply it, it's going to help you to take care of it. So for those that have a lot of ingrown hairs, let's say you have bumps, you have balls underneath your arm, this is something that you should do regularly. So you can just like skip the deodorant for some time and use this underarm detox. Rosewater is very good because it helps to balance the pH of the skin. It helps to hydrate your skin properly. It will help to like provide enough moisture where it is needed. So that is why we are using this major ingredient. So I'll just advise you to get a spray bottle, because it's advised for you to spray it onto your skin, of course on your underarm. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to take my rose water, and I'll just take it like 2/3 of the way. Next, I'm just going to apply or use some apple cider vinegar. So I have 2/3 of my rose water, and I'm just going to be using 1/3 of apple cider vinegar. So now that I've added the rose water and the apple cider vinegar, the last thing I'm going to be adding is like 2 or 3 drops of my essential oil. This is it, guys. My underarm detox is ready. So I'll just go ahead to spray it on my underarm. So guys, when your detox spray is ready, just go ahead and spray it like so. Yeah, very easy, right? So this is going to help you to remove unwanted smell, ingrown hairs. Like for those that have a lot of like bumps underneath their arm, this is something you can do, and it has an amazing smell. Like the smell is so wonderful. So even if you don't use your spray at all, this is something that you can do. I like doing this like every now and then, so that at least I know that I don't have anything there to battle with. It's also going to help you to lighten up that spot in case you have dark underarms because of the apple cider vinegar. So the combination of these 3 things are very good for you if you want to like remove bad odors from your underarm, lighten your underarm area, and take care of all those unwanted things you don't want in your armpit or underarm region. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and kindly check out my second channel, Tomi Adenuga, where I share my cooking experiences. I'd love to see you some other time. Just stay beautiful. Bye.